Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 11th of March. The euro dropped to 130.10 against the US dollar after non-farm payroll data pushed growth expectations for the American economy. At the same time, the better employment figures hint that Federal Reserve's Ben Bernanke may be willing to stop quantitative easing earlier than expected. The pair dropped as much as it had risen a day earlier when the European Central Bank President Mario Draghi had boosted hopes for a European recovery within 2013. The US 500, which tracks the top 500 US corporations, has moved above 1547, moving above its previous resistance at 1527 as better than expected non-farm payroll data from the US boosted expectations for a swifter recovery. WTI crude rose to 91.85 as better than expected US job data put pressure on energy prices amid higher growth expectations. And weekly option volatilities for the euro dollar dropped slightly from 8.85 to 8.75 as markets balance risk and fear keep premiums unchanged. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 130.35. The dollar-yen pivot points at 95.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 95.45. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 102.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.45. The sterling dollar pivot points at 149.80 with a preference to enter into short positions at 149.80. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.50. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot points at 90.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 90.80. The gold pivot points at 1587 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1587. The silver pivot point at 29.05 with a preference to enter into short positions at 29.05. The US 500 is at 1530 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1530, and the UK 100 is at 6400 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6400. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 7:45 GMT in Europe, we have the French industrial production month-on-month forecast to drop by 0.1%. At 8:15 GMT in Switzerland, we have the retail sales year-on-year expected to rise by 3.7%. At 11:50 GMT in Japan, we have the BSI manufacturing index expected at minus 6.2. And our interesting pair to start the week is the euro-Swiss franc. The euro edged higher against the Swiss franc, moving above 123.70. The pair has been strengthening as funds are looking for higher returns and are moving away from the safe haven that is Switzerland's into riskier European equities. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great week.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.